How to change your iPhone Siri voice. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So first things first, you will have to go into settings and then go ahead and scroll down where you can see the Siri and search tab. Once you click on it, you can see all the various options like listen for Hey Siri, press side button for Siri, and these are all the ways you can enable or make sure that Siri responds to you when you say these keywords. But if you want to change the voice settings, all you have to do is click on Siri voice, and once you're here you can select the different options of the accent that Siri responds to you in. Let's say I select the British accent for now.
I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Once you're here, you can see there are two voice options, voice 1 and voice 2. Well, those are the gender options. So voice 1 is male.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Voice 1 is female and voice 2 is male.
I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Most of the accents have two options.
Hi, I'm Siri.
But American
Choose the
has
voice.
a bunch of options.
Hi,
and
I'm Siri.
I
Choose the
hope
voice
you
you'd
can
like me to
get
use.
what you want from this. It is pretty customizable, and make sure you get what you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.